Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will introduce you to a new website. The name of the site is NANING9. First of all, you will check the description box of my video. There you will send the link of the site. Click on that link. After that, you have to create your account here. First, give your username, create your password, then confirm password, give your refer code, and select your country and enter the phone number. After that, write the verification code here and click on register now. Okay, now log in your account with your username and password, then click on login buttons. Okay, now login successful. Announcement: invite valid user to deposit. You can get up to 250 USDT reward. Agent can receive a monthly salary of up to 588 USDT. About Naning, you can click the beginner tutorial to view or content customer service for consultation button, deposit and withdraw button, business sal or unit 808, entry limit, level limit, daily order, commission rate. So this site is folder is company profile, promotion reward, beginner tutorial, invitation, VIP events, financial, user commission notification. I go is friend invitation. It's your invitation code. Now you get invitation link copy and send your friend, this link, send your friend and refer invitation your friend. Okay, now I will show you how to deposit on this site. First, click on deposit now and select TRC20 USDT TRC20 and then next step and click on next button and select your amount. Minimum amount 13 and maximum 1 lakh. So I deposit you select 300 and 300 select and copy this as the address. Select copy buttons, paste this address and select your amount USDT 300 and you can get select continue button. Send TRC20 network USDT that you send then USDT. Upload a screenshot of it here. So first click on upload your item, identify or select your file or select your screenshot now and upload this screenshot and then select your transaction ID and upload your image screenshot and then select confirm button and then confirm button. So okay, now your 300 USDT deposit will be confirmed. Here is your balance. Show your accounts. Your accounts balance is 300 USDT. Okay, now I will show you how to automatic grab this website. So first click on grabs button and click on automatic grabs, content down, then give your product and then click on submit button, done, complete order and Again click automatic graph and click on this submit button. Again order complete, and again click on automatic graph or again click on submit button. Complete order. My 32 orders complete or 3, and now click on automatic graphs and wait after 5 seconds. And see that your product, and click on this submit button and complete order, and again click automatic graph and wait 5 seconds. And click on this submit button, order complete, and again automatic graph, click on and again click submit button, and my 35 order complete. My automatic graphs 35 complete. My commission is 7.69 and order complete 35. So guys, my invitation is my team balance is 9839.14 and team cash flow, and my first deposit is 50 USDT rewards, and team order commission is 362.6. So I will show is payment proof. So you see it is my payment proof. I have already received my payment. They made the payment as soon as I withdraw. Okay, the most important point is withdrawal. How to withdraw is this website. So first click on this withdraw button, then confirm. So you need a transaction password, on create or 4-digit password, then click withdrawal button and click confirm, and click on add withdraw method. It's click writing your real name and this your email, and click on this phone, select your country, and this enter the phone number, and please your address, home address select, and this is select TRC20, then select TRC20 USDT TRC20 network, and please enter network address, your USDT TRC20 network address, and type your transaction password, and then click on submit button. Okay, then withdraw successfully, and this click on this confirm button. So you see it is my payment proof. I have already received my payment. They made the payment as soon as I withdraw.